imirimo yanjye ni ukwasa amabuye, ni ku kazi kantunze.
We live in different lives, and everyone wishes to have a better life. But remember, every kind of life you live, the main purpose is to survive. But you need to work hard and believe in your work. One day you will make it, whatever the life you are living. You know, everything we get is because we are still alive. It means that when you are still able to breathe, everything is possible. No matter what you are passing through, remember, God is on your side. Do you enjoy your job? Let me see in the comment section. I know the answer is going to be either yes or no. But what I know is that majority of people are not enjoy their job. Many people don't like their jobs. They are always complaining. Perhaps because the pay is too little or the job is too hard. But because of life, they don't quit because they have no choice but to stay. But one thing that can make you be strong in the job you have now is that there are many people who wish to have the same job like yours, but they don't have. Their life is so hard. I wish this video should be a good lesson to you. No matter these kinds of work, breaking stones in developed countries, people do it using machines. But this guy uses just his hands and the hammer. There is so many risks in doing this, but because life is not easy, he decided to do it. His name is 𝐒nr𝐞a𤤐e𝐫. He is 24 years old. He has been married for 2 years, 1 wife and 1 kid. His job is to break locks and set them. He wakes up in the morning at 5 a.m. and prepared to go to work. He reaches on his workplace around 6 a.m. and he starts his day job.
Akazi nkazamo nk'ibisanzwe mu gitondo saa 12, ngataha saa 11:30, nkajya mu rugo ngategura n'ibindi byo mu rugo.
Breaking the locks is not easy as you see. It requires you to treat them slowly. He first burned the lock for him to break it easily. Pay one full track, he's paid $8. The money you earn in this job depends on the luck you have on a particular day, because you may spend the whole week without filling a truck. And the other time you may fill a truck even just 2 days, but mostly it takes a week to fill a truck. Let's assume that he earns $8 per 7 days. It means that he earns $1 per day. Do you think it's enough income that you can be happy with? This job is hard, as you see. You can start from morning to evening and fail to break a single lock. But even though it's very hard and pays him real money, he has hope to meet his dream, like to feed his family, make his family happy, build his own house, and pays his children's school fees. That's why he decided to work this job together with his wife in order to meet their targets and to increase income as quick as possible.
Kubera yuko dukeneye kwizigama cyane, yuko dufite intumbero yo kugira ngo tuzagire ejo heza hazima, byatumye nyine twese tuza muri aka kazi. Yuko urumva we ahonda imodoka ya konkase akayihonda icyumweru kimwe cyangwa wenda icyumweru n'igice bakamuha 30,000, yakwiyongera kuyo nanjye nakoreye buri munsi ugasanga nyine tugeze kuri byinshi.
His wife, just like himself, breaks the stone into small pieces until she fills a truck, which is really not easy, like you see. How long do you think it takes her to fill the truck? Even if it's so hard to them, they continue to hustle with a smile on their faces. Your job may be too hard, just like theirs, but do you hustle with a smile on your face and joy in your heart, hoping for the best? Do you think that when you have a bad job and a hard life, the solution is to quit the job? Life changes. You may be struggling today, but take courage. Take heart and know that things will not remain the same forever. The best is yet to come.
Akazi kose ni akazi. Ntibajye basuzugura akazi, yuko akazi gashobora gutunga umuryango, kaba ari akazi keza kandi kakugeza kuri byinshi.
How about the story? Let me hope that you enjoyed. Actually, I would like to let you know that I have changed a little thing in my content, as you saw. I have added the part of stories. So, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. That's it from me today. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.